What is multicultural education? Advantages and disadvantages. An education method that fuses the stories, writings, qualities, beliefs, and points of view of every individual from several social foundations is known as multicultural education. The main purpose of implementing it in classrooms is to enable educators to adjust or join exercises to highlight diversity and social variety. In this article, we will discuss various disadvantages and advantages of the education method. The key aspects involved in multicultural education are race, civilization, nationality, language, religion, class, etc. By adapting it in schools and colleges, students can be made aware of histories, beliefs, and the significance of various assemblies. Moreover, it promotes the principles of inclusion, democracy, diversity, critical thought, sense of togetherness, inquiry, values of perspectives, and many more positive traits. This strategy for teaching is seen as successful in advancing educational accomplishments among foreigner students, and it is along these lines that it is credited to be a contributor to the reform movement in schools. Many believe that the objectives and goals of multicultural education are to maintain minority groups' culture, by encouraging youngsters to think broad and familiarize them with new thoughts and critical thinking. All this helps students in deduction all the more basically, just as wish them to have an increasingly open viewpoint. Just like any other education method, multicultural education has a few advantages and disadvantages. Multicultural education exposes students to the different cultural values and beliefs, and helps to create understanding and acceptance of differences between people. It implants tolerance and acceptance in individuals. Since it promotes cultural relevance, anti-bias classroom challenges students to think critically without jumping to categorizes. Social skills and social action are shaped, resulting in civically engaged people. The method encourages students to participate while keeping their culture and values intact, and this makes them feel a sense of inclusion. By being culturally conscious, teachers, without any bias, can help students assimilate without having to compromise their cultural identity. It promotes celebrating a student's culture, and that helps in keeping a sense of pride and confidence in the students. Disadvantages of multicultural education. Since in a multicultural classroom, students from various ethnic, language and social backgrounds study together from the same perspectives, making everyone understand the subject is difficult. There is a chance that teachers may struggle to figure out how thoroughly the students are understanding the material. Since not all students hail from the same background, this builds a language barrier. People from other cultures may be non-confrontational, submissive or otherwise indirect. Teachers in multicultural classrooms must be prepared to handle the conflicts and miscommunications that tend to arise among the students from different cultures, have different values, beliefs, traditions, assumptions, behavioral patterns, etc. What do you think about multicultural education? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.